I would have started working with birds when I was about 11 or 12 years old. My father started me off very young. I got more seriously involved once I was into high school, working on a night crew, and then I went to university, and I've been back and involved full-time with the business over the last 9 years. I took small business management, and then I actually went to North Carolina State and did a 1.5-year program there, specializing in poultry science. My name is Cameron. I'm a third-generation turkey farmer. My family has owned and operated Cherison's Turkey Hatchery since 1952. The biggest thing that I've learned from my dad in this business that I've taken away from him is really his work ethic. He pushed me from a very young age, put me in a lot of situations that maybe I didn't understand at the time, but I definitely realize now that was building character, building work ethic, really making sure that you lead by example. We work alongside a lot of people that are from right here in the community. Most of the employees that we get here are either a family member or they have a friend that works here. A lot of our recruitment is word of mouth, so we do end up with multiple people from the same family, multiple friends, multi-generation families even that have worked for us.
I'm Amanda Chartrand, and I've been working at the hatchery for 24 years. I'm third generation. My grandma worked there, my mom works there. My dad works there, my brother works there, my sister, my husband, and now my son.
I'm Gary Chartrand, work at Cherison's for 17 years. Started cutting lawns, grass maintenance, morphed into a lifestyle of agriculture and hard work and turkeys.
We see the owners all the time. We see them at work. Sometimes we see them on weekends. They're just like family.
I think that our business is very important to the community. In the Gunton-Teulon area, it's really agricultural based. There aren't a lot of big employers. We would be one of the biggest, if not the biggest employer in the area. So we do provide a lot of jobs. We also provide a lot of support for community initiatives. We pride ourselves on being able to support right here locally in the community. The Fireman's Ball is set up for the main fundraiser for the year for our local volunteer firefighters. These are guys that volunteer their time, volunteer their effort, put themselves in harm's way to come out and help the community when individuals are in need. So the Fireman's Ball is our opportunity to provide support, provide the meal, do what we can to make sure that they can secure the funds that they need for any new equipment. I would say that we do eat turkey more than the typical family. Our favorite is turkey burgers. My wife loves burgers. She likes to cook them. Turkey burgers go great with almost anything. Typical mealtime is pretty chaotic, actually. We've got one kid that loves to eat, one kid that doesn't like to eat, and one kid that's normally throwing his stuff all over the place. I'm comfortable feeding my family and my children Canadian-grown turkey. I'm a part of the industry. I see how it's grown. I'm a part of how it's grown. I know that our food safety standards here in Canada are top-notch. There's absolutely no use of antibiotics or steroids in the growth of these animals. It's a very sustainable industry, and I feel proud to provide my kids, not just my kids, but people within Manitoba, people in the community. I'm proud that we can put turkey on the plate.